Hello traders, it's Friday. Woohoo! Friday the 1st of September to be exact, and we are going to do three things. We're going to look back at yesterday's trades, we're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's do this. The first trade idea from yesterday was this, guys, was euro against the Aussie dollar. Okay, so you can see we were in an uptrend. And then we sort of just ranged between these two grey zones. And then we had this bullish candle. Okay. And the idea was to, potentially take price back up to here. All right. And you can see, guys, that we've had a very bearish candle. Okay. Which has broken these lows. So this just goes to show how flexible you need to be in the market, guys. It can change in a day. So yesterday I was, thinking about longs. We didn't have a trade, and I'll show you why. We were looking for longs, and then today I'm looking for shorts. So, that daily candle can make a big difference, and you must be flexible and adaptable in the markets. Yeah, don't fixate on a direction. Let the market, let the charts tell you. So, but yesterday, guys, because of this bullish candle, yeah, we were potentially looking for longs. And if we drop down to the H4, guys, the idea was this. Yeah, we break out of this grey zone. So we get a bullish, bullish push through this grey zone, retrace, and then we take price higher. So obviously, guys, that never happened. Yeah. And the other, possible scenario was this. We get a bullish reaction at these lows, and then we start to buy. Yeah. And as you can see, guys, there wasn't a bullish candle in sight. I mean, even this green candle is, totally bearish. So, another reason why it's so important to have our criteria and wait for the bullish reaction. If we're looking to buy a pair, guys, we need to see buyers. Yeah, I know it may seem obvious, but, we have to have buyers. And yesterday, because we didn't see any buyers, we stayed out of the market and it kept us out of trouble. Yeah. Even on the H1, guys. Yeah. If we, if we look at, so I'm trading from around, the London Open around here. None of these candles were bullish enough. This was negative, if anything, doji, and you've also got to bear in mind this candle. So even on the H1, and none of these candles bullish enough. So yeah, on the H4 and the H1, nothing was telling us to buy this pair. All right, and good job we didn't. All right, so that was the first trade from yesterday. The second trade from yesterday was this. It was pound against the Swiss franc. Let's start with the day chart. So we're basically seeing a range here, guys. Yeah, we're in a downtrend, and now we're just kind of ranging, if not an uptrend. Yeah, because we have higher highs. Yeah, and then price come back down to these lows, and we've never broken these lows. All right, and then we had a bullish reaction. Yeah, buyers are in total control coming off the bottom of this support. Okay, so the idea was to potentially take it back to the top of the range, and this trade is still valid. If we look at, so because it was the H4 that prevented me from getting in this trade, guys, because we had this grey zone. Yeah, you can see where price has reacted before. It's been a good area of resistance. And then look at all these H4 candles here. Yeah, it's just, sellers keep bringing it back down. All right. This candle encourages me. Yeah. So obviously, I wasn't awake for this candle. But, this is still a valid setup. But just yesterday, we didn't get a setup, guys, really. Because of these candles, it just prevented me from entering a buy. I don't want to buy these types of wicks. But again, guys, if we get a bit of a retrace today, some value, then I'll be looking to buy this pair still. All right, but again, yesterday, because of these candles, no trade on pound Swiss franc. And if you look on H1, it's just nasty price action. I mean, look at all of that. You know, it's going nowhere. Yeah, we don't want to be in price action like this. Yeah, it's so choppy. Yeah, and those were the two trade ideas from yesterday, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy my analysis vid every single morning, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And also, if I could ask everyone to please smash the like button as well. Thank you very much. Shukran. Right, guys, today is Friday, the 1st of September. Before we look at all of the trade ideas, let me just mention a few things that we do, guys. So we've got the free Discord channel, guys. Come join it. There's loads of great free content, traders, ideas, psychology, indicators in the free Discord channel. The link is in the video description. Secondly, guys, we've also got the VIP Discord channel. You do have to pay for this one, but you get access to me throughout the trading day. You can ask me any questions you like throughout the day. I give you my trade ideas. We have two other expert traders giving their trade ideas. I give you exclusive content every week, and you have access to a performance coach. So loads of value. Come join the VIP Discord. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. And if you would like to show your support, guys, maybe you watch my analysis vids every day, the live streams, then you can show your support by becoming a Simply Forex YouTube member. That's quite a mouthful. And it starts from as little as under $2 a month, guys. All right. And there's loads of perks. So again, check it out. It's in the video description. And don't forget my live streams every day, Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Not today, it's Friday. Right, guys, trades for today. So take your pick of Swiss franc weakness. Yeah, so we're looking at pairs that are showing Swiss franc weakness. Yeah, I'm also seeing a bit of euro weakness as well. Okay, but the overriding weak one is Swiss franc weakness. Okay, it's that week. I have highlighted it, put it in capital letters, and repeated it. So, yeah, like I say, guys, take your pick. Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, we're looking to buy this pair. Yeah, so we were in a downtrend. It's been trending for weeks, but you can see we're starting, it's starting to build up in terms of a change of trend when you start seeing higher lows. Yeah, that's also a red flag or an indication that trend could be changing. And sure enough, it breaks through these last highs in here. Okay, so if we zoom in a little bit now, you can see these were the last daily highs through here. They were holding, but yesterday we got this bullish candle that broke through this level. Okay, and the idea is we can potentially take price back up to this level because this would be the next area of support resistance. Really, that's always my target, guys. All right, so in an uptrend, bullish candle, we've also broken through the moving average 20. Yeah, and we've got a bit of room to move into, guys. So there's lots to like about this trade. Let's drop down H4. Yeah, it's probably a bit of a H4 level, really. So you can see, guys, yeah, this is basically those last daily highs through here. You can see price has reacted many times at this level. Okay. And you know the drill by now, guys. What we want to do, we want to see a retrace. A retrace equals value for money. Yeah, we want value. We want to retrace into this grey zone, not the larger grey zone. That's the daily level, but it's this grey zone here. Yeah, we want price to retrace into here. we get a bullish reaction. And when I say bullish reaction, I mean a candle that shows us buyers are in control. Not a small candle. We want a bullish candle. Something like this, guys. I'm just looking at this pair. That's nice and bullish. Yeah, this is nice and bullish. Yeah. So something like that, guys, and then we can start buying this pair. All right, I'll probably take some profit at the top here, yeah, and then let some profit run. So Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, any of the Swiss franc pairs, pretty much. I've chosen the ones I prefer. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Let's look at the day chart. So again, yeah, break in structure, break above the moving average 20, nice bullish candle, room to move into, lots of things to like. So you can see here, we were potentially in a range here, but then price has sort of just been not doing a lot of this level, but never breaking it. Yeah, that's always a red flag as well. And then bang, we get this candle that breaks these last highs here, and potentially we've got room back up to these last highs over here. Okay, this is my higher time frame target, this 6595, 600 psychological level, basically. All right, and as you can see, guys, it's just gone above the moving average 20 and a trend break and a nice bullish candle. Lots to like. If we drop down to the H4, again, this is a bit of a H4 level. You can see price has reacted many times in here, and we just want to see price retrace into here. We get a bullish reaction. Okay, and then we can start buying this pair up to that higher time frame target. All right, this one, because we're so far away from the moving average 20, this one might want to come down a little bit further. Yeah, touch the moving average 20, then we get a bullish reaction. Yeah, so be aware of that and keep an eye out for that. But yeah, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, buy. What's another Swiss franc pair I like? So pound Swiss franc, I still like this trade. Yeah, we couldn't get into it yesterday, but maybe today we can. And again, guys, yeah, not much has changed here. We was in a downtrend. Now we're in an uptrend stroke range. Yeah, because we're getting higher highs as well. And we've got bullish candle, and again, just the idea is to take it to the top of the range. And nothing about yesterday's candle tells us that this isn't the case. Yeah, still bullish, not super bullish, but bullish enough to keep pushing this up. If we drop down to the H4 now, yeah, what was preventing us yesterday were all these wicks. But if we get a retrace, some movement, a bullish reaction in this gray zone, then again, we can start taking price back up to here. And although I'm looking at the H4 chart, this can be a bullish H1 and or H4 candle. All right, so both are fine. And again, guys, always keep an eye out for this moving average 20. It might want to come down a little bit further, touch this moving average 20, then close back into this gray zone, and then we can buy it. All right, so yeah, pound Swiss franc, also looking to buy that. And the last Swiss franc pair that I like, it's pretty much all of them, is this. Yeah, this has already come back to our gray zone. So day chart, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. We was talking about this in the live stream. And again, there's this level through here that we were thinking, we could short this. We're in a downtrend. Price is back at these highs. We could take price lower. And you would, be forgiven for thinking that, But again, we have to keep an eye out for these, just chart structure. It's making higher lows. Yeah, it is. So therefore, it's telling us that buyers are not letting it drop. It comes down, they push it back up. It comes down, they push it back up. All right. And finally, yesterday, we got a break of these last highs through here. and it's a bullish candle, and we've got lots of room to move into, but this area here is the next area of logical resistance. So that's the idea, guys. And again, yeah, a bit of a H4 area we're looking at. You can see price, this was the last daily highs. Yeah, you can see price reacted many times in this area, this gray zone. And all I want to see, guys, is a retrace into here, which we're already getting. And then I just want to see a bullish reaction again, and we can start buying this pair. Again, be aware of the moving average 20 as well. Okay. So yeah, they're all the Swiss franc pairs, guys. I've also got one other trade which I really like. But if I could just ask you, if you are enjoying my analysis, my trade ideas, then come join the channel. Subscribe to the channel right now, please, guys. Smash that notification button, and if everyone could please smash the like button as well. Yeah, let's really get the likes up for this video, guys. Much appreciated. Yeah, and don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord channel, VIP Discord channel, mentorship program, Simply Forex YouTube membership, and we've got the live streams. But all of the information is in the video description. Right, my final trade idea for today was Euro Aussie dollar. So what a difference a day makes. Yeah, yesterday, yeah, you can see how quickly the market can change. Yeah, yesterday, because of this bullish candle, as you know, we were looking for a potential break of this level to take it higher. All right. And it literally in one day, bang, super bearish, breaking these lows. Yeah. So we now have, yeah, lower lows. We've got lower lows because we've broken out of this level, and now lower highs. Yeah, this is a downtrend. And the idea is just to carry on back down to this blue line here, this 6,650 psychological level. Okay, so that's the idea, guys. Again, if you drop down to the H4, yeah, you can see it's just been in this range. We could call this a box of indecision. Yeah, which it is. You've just got buyers, no sellers. Okay, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers. And, you know, you don't really want to be in this box. Yeah, what you want to do is wait for a break to the upside, which didn't happen, or we get a break to the downside, which did happen. Okay, and all we're going to do now, guys, is wait for a retrace back into this gray zone. Yeah, we get a bearish reaction, and then we start to take price lower. All right, guys, simple as that. Yeah, that's what we're looking for today. So lots of trades today, guys. It's been nice to give you lots of trades, lots of setups. Admittedly, a lot of them are just based on Swiss franc and also euro weakness. But yeah, let's take a look at the news now. So news for Friday, the 1st of September, guys. So one piece of news to keep an eye out for is this Swiss franc, 7:30 London GMT. You know, you might not even be awake for it, but if we're looking at those Swiss franc pairs today, this is CPI data coming out of Switzerland. So this could, you know, really have an impact on those Swiss franc pairs that we're interested in today. All right, so must be aware of that. If we carry on down, yeah, this is the news, the big news. This is really going to, you know, I feel, give the direction to the dollar. All right, we've got 1:30 London GMT. We've got three 3-star ratings. Yeah, and we've got average hourly earnings. We've got NFPs, which is the big one, and the unemployment rate, which is a big one. All right. And this is why I've stayed away from US dollar pairs today. There were potentially a couple of setups, but let's just let the market, you know, get this one out of its system and see where that dollar ends up. And then potentially next week we could trade the dollar. But yeah, guys, if you are in any dollar pairs, must be aware of this. Big news, guys. All right. And at the same time, I don't know why they're giving this 2-star ratings, but Canadian dollar, coming out of Canada, we got the GDP figures, year on year, month on month, quarter on quarter. So these are important as well. So this could, imagine you got US dollar data and Canadian dollar data, big data. So US dollar, Canadian dollar in particular could be extra crazy volatile. So must be aware of all of that. And then if we carry on down, there's still more news at 3 o'clock. London GMT, we've got manufacturing PMI and prices. So yeah, another real busy news day for the dollar. Let's see where it ends up. Okay. Yeah, and there you go, guys. That's the end of the vid. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great trading day. Have a great weekend, and I'll catch up with you next week.